things that separate us, mask and social distancing, our Arts Day is an affirmation of the elements that binds us together. Let's invoke God's blessings to the celebration. Let's join in prayer with Angelina and Abigail.
Lord, I confess, bowing here, I find my rest. Without you, I fall apart. You're the one that guides my heart. Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. With sin unseen, your grace is more. The grace is none is where you are. Where you are, Lord, I am free. Holiness is Christ in me. Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you.
God's presence will fill us with joy. May I invite our Staff Secretary, Asanta Ma'am, for the welcome address.
Respected Principal, Reverend Sister Norma Mary, our Chief Guest, Reverend Sister Jasvina Mary, sisters, teachers, and my dear children. May I begin by thanking God with the psalmist for his wonderful ways of protecting us. The digital media, which was not so favorably viewed by us earlier, has brought us together in a common platform to display our talents and enjoy life. When I spoke about enjoyment, the thing that came to my mind is bubbling with enthusiasm. She's quick in taking decisions, and that makes her an efficient leader. Yes, I'm speaking about our dear Principal, Sister Norma Mary. May I welcome our dear Principal to preside over the inaugural function of Swaralaya 2020. Our chief guest today is Sister Jasvina Mary. She is familiar to most of us through music. She is the Nightingale of FIH congregation. On behalf of Womanites, may I extend our warmest greetings and welcome Reverend Sister Jasvina Mary to our virtual celebration. The team of enthusiastic staff and passionate parents have devoted unselfishly to make this event a grand success. We Womanites heartily welcome each and every one of you to Swaralaya 2020. My dear students, at short notice, all of you have wholeheartedly jumped into focus on the talents and thereby strengthened the threads of communication between us. An open-armed welcome to you, my dear children. Enjoy and savor each and every moment of it. Thank you.
Let your light shine. Shine within you so that it may shine on someone else. May I invite the eminent dignitaries to light the lamp, symbolizing the light in our hearts. Reverend Sister Jaswina Mary, the songbird of FIH congregation. She has boosted the confidence of many singers during her presence here at the competitions. May I call upon Sister Jaswina Mary for the inaugural address.
Respected Sister Norma Mary, Principal of Vimala Hridaya ISC School, Padayatunpuri, teachers, parents, non-teaching staff, and my dear students. Today, I am very glad to be here to inaugurate the Arts Day, Swaralaya 2020. Why should our children spend time learning about creating art? Let's explore the reason. As you know, our mind is a terrible thing to waste. But did you know, a mind without imagination would lie as useless as an observatory without a telescope. The world needs the imagination minds of the children today. For tomorrow, imagination reflects upon experience to develop inventive and productive ways to think. Students show while adults tend to throw away ideas that may seem beyond the margins of reality. A child will accept these ideas with open arms and build on them. The process of creativity and expression is one that should not be oppressed because it is the right of each child to have the freedom to think, express, grow creativity. It is beneficial not only to the child but to society as a whole. Aims of education in personality development. So, give equal importance scholastic and co-scholastic artistic areas, even from the smaller classes. We give more emphasis on the holistic development to frame a good personality. It is our duty to try to make a positive atmosphere to nurture the inherent talents, ability of each individual as much as we can do. It is very important to ascertain the quality of education through all-round development. It is also very effective to enhance the academic part too. We know the main purpose of education management is to arrange. Ample platform for setting all-round experience in an institution. Each student is unique in nature. A good teacher can try to explore the qualitation aspect for development of the student. We know the importance of a life skill education for the formation of a good personality, a complete human being. The comprehensive nature of the development depends on all types of activities that we have been arranged in the campus. Art and aesthetic activities are very helpful in attaining a complete form of education. Everybody feels that art activity makes life worth living. Art activity gives us pleasure. It can cheer us up, excite us, or calm us. Art is form of communication. It encourages academic skills. It has been a part of human culture. Yes, dear parents, our education systems do not see it as essential to the education of today's youth. But at the same time, we are giving importance to art forms such as dancing, singing, painting, and drawing to develop their physical and mental health. So, dear parents, allow and help your child to grow best arts. With all your permission, I declare the inauguration of this year's Arts Day, Swaralaya 2020. Thank you.
With a wide smile and caring gestures, she has won our hearts. Our dear principal, Sister Norma Mary. She is ready to go to the utmost to impart comfort in us Wimalites. May I invite Sister Norma Mary for the presidential address and the release of the Swaralaya logo.
Respected Chief Guest, Sister Jaswina Mary, Vice Principal, Sister Shani Mary, Staff Secretary, Mrs. Mary Asunda, Sister Rosnia, Bernie sir, Jamie sir, dear teachers, parents and my dear students. Today we are celebrating our Arts Day. This year we select a theme. Our Arts Day named Swaralaya 2020. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to explain our logo of this year. Swaralaya 2020. Music that brings the meaning of our life. Music that shows the light from our soul. When this music touches our ear, we call it instruments. It symbolizes the unity. I mean, each instrument doing their duty in a perfect manner. They all together one in mind and heart. So it will become a perfect music. Dancing girl is the symbol of joy and happiness. It gives us flexibility of mind. It's performing art from consisting of purposefully selected sequences of human movement. Children wearing masks. We have to understand the circumstances, whether it is positive or negative. We all know we are in a pandemic. So we are responsible persons to protect ourselves and others too. Emblem of our school. Blessed Mother is the patron saint of Vimala Hridaya ISC School. The heart full of love shows mercy and concern. The motto of our school, knowledge is love and power. Love and power are the two main components to mold our children and help them to reach the highest. So, dear Krishna Priya, I congratulate you in the name of whole school. Thank you very much for your contribution in the logo Swaralaya 2020. On this blissful day, I am very grateful to you, dear Reverend Sister Jaswina Mary, the guest of the day. And I also thank Sister Shani Mary, Vice Principal, Sister Rosnia Mary for your presence in the judging panel. After became the staff secretary, this is the first program, I think, our dear beloved Mrs. Asunda ma'am. Ma'am, I am very glad you reached here on time and make sure the arrangements today's program. Thank you very much, ma'am. Bernie sir, he is always with us to do everything in a perfect manner. And I also remember and thank Jamie sir, Suji sir and all the teachers, your cooperation and support. Dear parents, you are the persons to encourage our students to do something in a different way. Thank you for your cooperation. Dear students, you are the pillars of our school. I know you all are very eager to see school, teachers, principal, sisters. But even this pandemic situation, you always ready to do the instructions given by school. Thank you very much, dear children. May the Almighty God bless each one of you. Thank you.
Digital education and Master Bernie stepped in together into our school. We Wimalites are in a progressive path with him as our general coordinator. May I request Master Bernie to propose the vote of thanks.
Every child is born with artistic sensibilities. It is only patronage from a tender age that helps a child emerge as an artist or have a mind that can appreciate beauty. It is said that an artist is born and not made, but an artist emerges when a child is given the support at home to pursue his or her creativity, and then at school only then the society recognizes their talent. Respected Chief Guest, Sister Josephina Mary, our beloved Principal, Sister Noma Mary, and all my colleagues and my dear students. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. On behalf of the members of Vimala family, I extend the hearty thanks to the honorable delegates, Sister Josephina Mary, who blessed us with your presence and took a valuable time of your busy schedule to inaugurate our Arts Day. Without a head, there will not be a day. Likewise, without our dear Principal Sister, what had to happen? It's our pleasure for getting Sister over here for addressing everyone. Thank you, dear Sister, for your loving presence. I express my deep sense of gratitude to our Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Shani Mary, and our Versa, Reverend Sister Fabiola Mary, and all the in-charge sisters of our school for encouraging us with your words of wisdom. The wheels started rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eyes for detail. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated teams of arts by Miss Shiva for the high school and higher secondary, Miss Little Flower and Miss Smita for the high school, Miss Pawan and Miss Mabel for the upper primary, Miss Seema and Miss Chrissy for the lower primary, and for the KG section, Miss Christina and Miss Greta. A special thanks to all of you for your hard work. I also extended my sincere thanks to our staff secretary, Ms. Asunta, and our dear teachers for your immense support which is giving for us. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to all our dear parents and students of this Vimala family for your perfect logistic support and cooperation in all our needs. Thank you, dear students, for your energetic and enthusiastic participation. Even during this pandemic situation, we could successfully coordinate this Arts Day through online is something which is extraordinary. So once again, I thank each and every members of our family for your enormous cooperation. Thank you all.